Right now, in every classroom, students are looking for more than just answers. They're looking for connection, voice, and purpose. Research backs this up. Meaningful discussions not only deepen learning, but also support mental well-being by strengthening social connections. So if we know this impact is real, what strategies and support do we need to lead these conversations with confidence and care in our classrooms? This summer, SCOE is stepping up with 3 powerful workshops designed to energize your teaching, spark civil discourse, and equip students to lead in a complex world. Kicking off on June 24th, national leaders from Facing History and Ourselves will guide you through strategies to tackle tough topics head-on. Learn how to create safe, inclusive spaces where students can speak up, challenge ideas, and grow through dialogue. Next up, the Discussion Project from July 14th to 16th. In this interactive 3-day deep dive, you'll explore 22 powerhouse strategies to ignite meaningful dialogue across all content areas. Build a classroom culture where every voice matters and every conversation moves learning forward. Then, on August 4th and 5th, gear up for legislative semester. This workshop is all about action, giving students real-world civic skills through parliamentary procedure and bill writing. Watch them become change makers as they step into the shoes of legislators. Whether you teach science, social studies, or anything in between, these workshops will elevate your classroom conversations and empower your students to lead with clarity, courage, and conviction. Don't miss your chance to be part of something bigger. Join educators across Sonoma County and help shape the next generation of thinkers, doers, and change makers.